Boha obododo. Boha obododo. Go jira promotions as obedi atwero. De sia ni we ado akotua kakra. We ado akwa pesca bobi. We ado de afasa. Posi for say san sebde nam monte nya no kore. Omo ano de o ma dwen twero bribe bia nkoso. Paper no so enliki. Paper leak jedus. Ah, now. Posi for bia minimum mo samne. And the promotion came robo to obu down. You must see how we are singing them through teams. They say, I MTT today, charge office. And this year, the CID for Friday. Because of the criminality in investigation, we are your mutachro part. They are the kaka or kakra. And they will be mutachro. Now, say, charge office crying bad. But charge office brought from a format. Baku. And the one so the missing person. And the ashishim. Missing item. That's what they shame. Obi akobu obi repo obi. Oh, yeah, that format now. Did I say? Odi ship so the brofo is the same. Obi that brofo is the same. I don't pay. Yeah, and also there's a lot to talk about this more than actually see. Bedi kobo over table so to say. Bibia ekoye e ho de. Be yare ntie. Sir Udru Tapa senior high school, junior high ne wo hodo. Udru hodba ade akosonye. Classroom 3 unit classroom block be so mo sha asiye. Ah, squad na jadan ni onwura mo. Na kana ha de. Minim de ba mi asesa wo. Minim de ba mi asesa kire se. Emre bia. He, opa yenko kuro bia se benya abandon project bi e wo nwuram. Abandoned projects bebre ne wo nwuram. Ebesi ne. Bebre egu nwuram ho. Bebre ede de uncountable. Egu nwuram hodom. Ah. Ayare adwen because ayaya there ha ma adwen say ayaya sika. Enso so obi na be sha ase 10% no waje that alleged 10% ayo mu free contractors waje konti me so maba ma me hwe fresh one ase na me so maji me 10% na ye na be bobra ana sabi ensenhunu sa na MMDC sinne government officials ne di ti o MPP ba e obeye bi NDC ba wo to aso sa projects gugu mura mu sa ai tese ni pen ya badaye ni ayam hihye kraba say sikai taxpayers money abadaye ba ku kura anim abadaye ba ku kura anim ti eye ya ibotom skanti enwunwura mo na ensai sebe yo nye yo ye de yemfa ho enwunwura mo na ensai na de say tira o man be de akoso. And that is what is going on. Projects are ya abandon ya kika. I think one of these days, I was here calculating region by region, abandoned projects and the amount of money you are spending on those projects. And it will give you a proper view and a proper understanding of Sika ya jeni murem. And Tiaba Ashanti region. The number of these streets, waha. Municipal, metropolitan districts, wo kromha. Abandoned projects, gugurem. Ode ya agenda 111 ne kura film. Emu classrooms, emu chip compounds, emu den. Na yen check it, yen quantify. Sika, sika kitwa. Yeah, Jenny Graham just like that because Obia is serious and Obia is not accountable to whatever it is. To ever house a project in Graham and champion for I don't want district. Or share a clinic biase. Now clinic no much I say here. See you are across the channel. Almost see bear 2 rooms, 2 horses. I have a clinic. It's a cheap compound with a clinic with a dinum jano. Aban for Brian, call their dino, go and see no baby in Chinese and Casse. anya hwe ye de ho be storehouse because projects room see net time nenye and chen say I want chen ho so obesi no akosi ni baby foforo another chip compound. That is how we are. Apa be cobra sports wire ready. Me ba to aso edi kobo. Our friend Nkwantabisa be ba sisi that ya to aso. Orlando work Ember Power by ready and a pel move tip off no and bray.
Thank God I'm not Madridista. As well as I know the Lamia map. That is also true. Because Barcelona and once I just and after that, actually, thank God I'm not Madridista. And I'm somebody somewhere that's not just last month. I was with you. When it's 2 o'clock,